Hey there! Do you struggle to manage email signatures in your organization? It can be a real pain, right? With Microsoft 365, there are a few options available. You can design a signature yourself and explain to users how to set it up, but this requires a lot of back and forth and may not even ensure that everyone follows through. On the other hand, manually setting up signatures on every desk and device is just impractical. There has to be a straightforward solution. Have you ever noticed that it takes longer to manage email signatures when your organization grows in size? And when you have to update your signature design for an upcoming email campaign, you must start everything from scratch. That's where Sigsync Email Signature for Office 365 comes in. Our solution streamlines the process of managing email signatures with a centralized cloud-based dashboard. Sigsync is trusted and used by businesses all over the world. It's a web-based solution that enables you to create and deploy Office 365 email signatures to all users and devices within your organization. Imagine being able to set up a consistent, professional email signature for everyone in just a few minutes. Creating and editing signatures has never been easier than with Sigsync built-in editor. You have tons of signature templates to choose from and automatically integrate social media icons, QR codes, analytics, one-click surveys, and attractive banners in your email signature. It's all at your fingertips. No matter which email client or device you are using, Sigsync has got you covered. Our service automatically adds professional and branded HTML signatures to your emails sent from your desktop, laptop, or from your mobile phone. And with our signature rules, you can decide when and how the signatures are added to your emails. You can choose different senders, recipients, and control the signature placement in email conversations. Want different signatures for internal and external emails? No problem. Different signatures for different departments? Easy peasy. If you want to tailor your signature to your recipient, you can even insert a signature in any language. The possibilities are just endless. Wondering how Sigsync works? It's simple. When you send an email, it travels to your Microsoft 365 tenant, then to Sigsync Email Signature Service on Azure within the Microsoft Data Center. Your signature is added here and is then relayed to your Microsoft 365 tenant before the email is finally delivered to the recipient. If you use Outlook, it's even more convenient because with the Sigsync Signature Outlook add-in you can add signatures directly when you compose an email. And when it comes to security, we've got that covered too. Not only do we have our cloud services right where your Microsoft 365 tenant is, but we also adhere to the highest security standards to ensure data protection and quick email delivery. Try Sigsync for free today or request a personalized demo to see it in action.